Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Rooftop Botanist. This is my first tomato plant, that is scientific name is Solanum lycopersicum that I have grown. The age is 1 month and 1 week or 10 days. So I'll show you the result of this plant. This is the flowers that I have showing you for the past few days, and the result you can see is this fertilizer have already happened as I said, and this is the fruit. This is size more than that of a peanut, and these are fertilized. The next one is fertilized, the next one is fertilized, as you can see. This one is fertilized and the next one is right this side. This one is fertilized, but these flowers are actually healthy and not been fertilized. So 3 flowers that you can see is fertilized, others are not. So I'll keep you updated in the future. And this is the condition. And the other flowers, yes, this flower is also fertilized, and in this inflorescence, this I don't know, no, this is a new flowers. So these are not fertilized, these are not fertilized. So this inflorescence, this one is fertilized, and second one is fertilized on this other side. And in this flower, 3 flowers is fertilized. So as you can see, there is potential for 3 and 2, total 5 tomato potential is there. And this is the first tomato that I can show you right here right now. Yeah, this one, as you can see, is a little bit larger than a peanut, but the age is actually 3 to I don't know 5 days maybe after 4 or 5 days after fertilization. This is the right size, and as you can see, the growth of the plant is actually tilted to the right side from this video because of the growth of the plant in this direction, and the flower and fruit and other things in this plant, because this side the single leaf is there and the whole plant is this side, so it is tilted toward the right side. I will give you the update in the next videos. For that you have to subscribe and give it if you like this video, give it a like. So let me count how many inflorescences are there. So there are 1 inflorescence, 2, 3, this one is not flowering but it will, 3, 4, 5 and 6 inflorescence is there, as you can see, and more 7. There is more in the top section, but these are not actually right now, you can say survive or not, but this one is very big. These are flowering and fruiting inflorescence is 1, 2 and 3, 4, but there is other 3 that are small. And the condition is that from the past 3 to 7 days it was actually raining heavily, that as you can see the water is actually washed off everything, and the water soaky condition actually infected these leaves, and the conditions of the plant is not that good. Because of that infection, this plant is going down, and this is already gone down. But right now the condition is actually the clouds are gone and sky is clear, and it is very sunny right now, as you can see. But I have not fertilized it yet. So after fertilization and watering this plant for the next few days, 7 to 10 days, I will give you the updated video. For that you have to give it a subscribe and click the bell notification below, and then you will be getting the update. So this tomato will be more than a tennis ball. After 10 days it will be more than a tennis ball, and this one will be larger, this one will be larger, these two will be larger. So if you want to see these updates, you have to subscribe. And the soil is actually dry. I will fertilize and water it after some time, then I will be update the video. Okay, thank you for watching the video. If you want to see more about this, the updated video about this plant, the red spinach plant, or my other tomato plant, then you have to stay tuned for that. Okay, and this is my java plant that I am growing. Yeah, you can see this is already a lot of branches there, and it will be very big and bushy in the next 2 to 3 months, because I am fertilizing it very hard and watering is very good. And as you can see the bucket below, no fertilizer is going to be wasted from this plant or this plant, and it will be very good for the environment because no fertilizer or water is being run off from this plant. As you can see, the growth is very good for a 1 month old cutting plant. And this one is also flowering. Two flowering inflorescence is there, and more than 5 non-flowering inflorescence is there because those are not mature, but it will be after some time. So okay, I'll keep you updated. If you want to, stay tuned with this channel. And this is the spinach and red spinach plant. There is also red spinach plant, but spinach, yes, there is also spinach plant, but red spinach is the main thing of this tub, and tomato is the main one. So as you can see, okay, the growth is very good. Okay, and the height is actually 1 month and 10 days old plant. The height is actually more than 2 feet. And the flowering, fruiting, what more you can ask for this from this plant? I don't know, maybe a lot of fruits. Yeah, inflorescence is so good that the flowering and fruiting will be also good, I hope. So I will keep you updated. Thank you all. Stay tuned for more and give it a subscribe in this video. Thank you. I love you all.